So guys, today I'm going to give you my honest review of this 14 pieces heavy duty garage organizer. And this was sent to us by Wallaban for the purpose of this review. And what's included in the 14 pieces are 4 small square hooks, 2 small J hooks, 2 medium S hooks, 2 medium square hooks, 2 large S hooks, and 2 extension cord holders. And for a closer look, you will see that the slip-proof rubber material is very thick. And the steel bar has a thickness of 8mm compared to the others that are only using 6mm. And these steel bars are welded to the plate in 3 different spots, so you can expect durability. Also included is the installation manual, and they also included 2 different sets of screws and anchors. This set right here is for concrete wall installation, and this set is for drywall or sheetrock installation. I actually prefer this type of garage hook organizers. Fact that they are not on a track, I can install these hooks separately and place them wherever I need them. When I'm installing these hooks, I prefer to install them right on the stud, but because of the included screws and anchors, installing these hooks is quick and easy. It also has an excellent load-bearing capacity because of its 3-spot welding process, and it can hold up to 33 kilograms. And they also use a special spray and dip coating process. That's why these hooks are weatherproof and scratch resistant, making them an ideal choice for outdoor use. So guys, this is the 14 pieces heavy-duty garage organizer from Wallavan. Get yours today and thanks for watching.